As Hannibal from the A-Team once so famously said, I love it when a plan comes together. And that's how you should start every year, planning. And a good business development plan is key to success in 2024, and in fact in any year. But it doesn't start with this digging out last year's plan and blowing off those cobwebs and starting from scratch. If you didn't look at it last year, you won't look at it this year. It's simple logic. So instead, keep it simple. What are your 1, 2, 3 top priorities for the year ahead? What do you want to achieve? What do you want to be known for? Do you want to double the size of your team? Do you need client acquisition? Do you need to grow from your existing client base? Do you want to be seen as an expert in a particular field? Mark down what those 3 activities are. And from then, build out your plan. Think about who you need to engage with. Do you need help from your colleagues, people within the business? Do you need an external consultant to come alongside you? And start thinking about what help you need to help achieve those things. And then finally, look at the activities you need. Build those activities in. See how they'll help you along the way. Make it an active plan and something you can follow to. It shouldn't just be something that you put away in that drawer and bring out again next year, but something more that you follow and look to action. Action leads to activity. Activity breeds success. Really, really simple stuff. If you get it right, you'll put yourself on the course to success. If you need help with a plan, you want a template, you can go to our website and download our BD Client Action Plan. The clue's in the name, it's a BD Client Action Plan. Hope you've enjoyed this week's BD Tips Tuesday. Someone on the team will be back next week to give you more great advice to fire up your year in your business development. And remember, like and subscribe.